Alright, now we're about to check our next batch of chicken. The one with the eggs around it, and see how different does it look. It looks like a golden little bit with the flour around it. So those are the two different. This is the first one just with the first home meal, and then the second one. Now we're going to be doing the fish the same way. Let's see. So now our next chicken with eggs around it, turn nice little brownish, which is good. Okay, and the other one also turning good with that egg around it. You all look beautiful. You all look beautiful. Which is good. So now we see how the fish also turn out. Alright, so the next fish is cooking. We're gonna wait for the fish and see how that one also look around. Okay, so now let's line up the egg chicken. See the two different type. Well, looking good. I mean, when you see it, you can tell. The one with the eggs, and then the one with the no eggs, just a plain flour, corn flour. But they all taste good. The reason why I use the corn flour because of the fat. You know, regular flour is always make us fat. So we're doing the same way for the fish. And we'll take it from there after this commercial break. We'll be back. And today we don't have our judges to taste our chicken, so but you can try it at home. Make something nicely, okay? Don't spend the money in a restaurant or buying food every day. Spend the time and cook a nice meal for yourself. Okay, that's what we are doing right now. So we'll be back.